The best way to learn something is to realize the problem that you're having, find the person that has solved the problem that you're having, and then follow them and have them help you, whether that is through their free content, buying their books, signing up for their email list, because it's the way easier than sort of twiddling your thumbs and not knowing what to do next. Getting a game plan for somebody who's walked the path ahead of you is it will lessen the time you need to learn whatever it is you want to learn. So if you're trying to be, a self-producing artist, like Indie Music Academy is a great resource for that. If you're trying to finish your mixes and get great, and use the tools you already have at your disposal to make great mixes, Audio Issues is for that. The step-by-step mixing book has helped, 15,000 plus people. But the same applies not to just us. It's about thinking of like, all right, what is my problem? How do I get clients? Do I need to tweak my my sales pages? Do I need to tweak my email campaigns? Do I need to learn how to communicate better? Do I need to learn how to write better lyrics or create better beats? If you know what the problem you're having is, you go out and find somebody who understands that problem better than you, because then they probably have a solution for you.
Yeah, such a good way to put it. It's it really comes down to hanging out with people who are like-minded with you. You know, it's it's always been said, like, you become just like your 3 closest friends, or you're influenced by the 3 closest people who are around you, right? And it's also true that if you hang out with people who are one step ahead of you, you're going to grow so much faster, whether that's in skills, marketing skills. If you are even just having great conversations with other artists who are doing the same thing as you, you basically have 3, 4, 5, or 6 minds thinking together, and we all know that 6 minds are better than 1.